Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab M8 4th generation, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to find the system. Now let's tap on the reset options, and at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap. Here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so as you can see Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings and confirm it. As you can see, you cannot undo this action, so be aware. And we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.